Ebola has now infected over 10,000 people in West Africa since the beginning of this year. According to the World Health Organization, almost half of those people have died, and infection rates have continued to grow. The countries worst affected, including Sierra Leone, Liberia, and Guinea, could see 5,000 to 10,000 new cases a week by December. There's a severe shortage of trained health workers and vital equipment, as well as a dangerous lack of knowledge within communities about how to prevent transmission. Ebola has dealt a devastating blow to the economies of the countries affected. People are struggling to earn a living and provide food for their families. If this outbreak continues unabated, West Africa could experience a major food crisis by January. Children are suffering too. Many, including babies, have been infected. Hundreds more have been orphaned. Joseph is just 10. He lost both his mother and father to Ebola and now takes care of his younger brother and sister.
Since when I lost my mom and dad, I've been facing a lot of problems. It is difficult to look after my sister and my brother.
This is no longer simply a medical emergency, but threatens to become a humanitarian catastrophe. That's why the Disasters Emergency Committee, or DEC, an umbrella organization that unites 13 UK humanitarian aid agencies, has launched an emergency appeal to get help to the people who need it. DEC members and their partners are already on the ground and doing what they can. But to help the vast numbers of people affected, they need your donation. £25 can provide cleaning kits including bleach, soap, and a bucket for 3 families at risk from Ebola. £50 can provide basic protective clothing such as gloves, masks, boots and gowns for 3 volunteers supporting people under quarantine. £100 can provide training to a community on how to keep themselves safe and help stop the spread of Ebola. Please help if you can. You can give online at dec.org.uk or you can call 0370 60 60 900. To donate £5 on your mobile, text GIVE to 70000. Text costs £5 and the whole £5 goes to the DEC Ebola Crisis Appeal. Or you can send a cheque to this address. Please take a little time to make a big difference by giving whatever you can. Your donation will help stop the spread of this deadly disease. Thanks very much.